When people think about decorating a room, they usually start with one question. What color should I paint the walls? But beautiful rooms rarely begin with color. They begin with a feeling. How do you want this room to feel? Calm, warm, cozy, fresh, elegant? Because color and lighting are not decoration. They are tools that help create an experience. And once you understand that, choosing colors becomes much easier. Today, we're going to learn a simple way to think about mood, style, color, and light, so your room feels intentional from the very beginning. Every room has a purpose. A bedroom is usually for rest. A living room may be for gathering, relaxing, and spending time with family. The purpose helps you decide the mood. Then the mood helps you choose the style. And the style guides your color and lighting decisions. For example, if you want your bedroom to feel calm and cozy, you might choose an organic modern style with warm neutrals, natural wood, and soft lighting. If you want your living room to feel bright and fresh, a Scandinavian style may be a better choice. Instead of asking, "What color should I use?" try asking, "How do I want this room to feel?" That one question changes everything. Colors influence how we experience a room. Warm colors usually feel cozy, welcoming, and comfortable. Cool colors often feel fresh, peaceful, and calming. Neutral colors feel balanced, timeless, and flexible. But a successful room usually doesn't use one color everywhere. Instead, it uses a simple balance. One color leads, one color supports, and one color adds interest. This is where the 60-30-10 rule becomes useful. 60% is your dominant color. 30% supports it, and 10% is used for contrast and personality. This simple approach makes a room feel intentional instead of random. Light changes everything. The same paint color can look completely different in another room. Natural daylight, artificial lighting, even surrounding materials. All of these affect how a color appears. That's why a color that looked beautiful online may feel completely different in your own home. Good rooms also use more than one type of lighting. Ambient lighting gives overall illumination. Task lighting helps with specific activities. Accent lighting adds atmosphere and visual interest. When these layers work together, a room feels comfortable, functional, and inviting. Beautiful rooms don't begin with paint samples. They begin with clarity. Start with the purpose of the room. Decide how you want it to feel. Choose a style that supports that feeling. Build a simple color palette. Then use lighting to bring everything to life. When mood, color, and light work together, a room doesn't just look beautiful, it feels right.